Hey, if you are struggling to save an emergency fund or if you're just having a tough time making ends meet, then you really need to consider automating your savings. What is automating your savings? You need to have a checking account where your salary gets direct deposited straight into that account. Then a few days after your payday, schedule an automatic transfer into a savings account. This can be at the same bank or it can be at an online bank or any high yield savings account. A high yield savings account will earn you a higher interest than your typical brick and mortar bank. And because it's automated, you won't even notice that the money's missing from your checking account. Just like you don't notice the taxes that are missing from your check before it gets directly deposited into your checking account. You knew that happened, right? Automate your way to a fully funded emergency fund and take back control of your money. Money management is a mindset, so stay empowered and we will see you next time.